The Quick Scrub replaces the mop, bucket, and wringer and the need for scheduled restorative cleaning. Featuring innovations for increased speed and performance, this daily clean machine is the industry's only solution to cleaner, safer, and soil-free confined space environments. Mops fail to clean surfaces. Instead, bacteria absorbs into their fibers, multiplies, and spreads across floors. The Quick Scrub keeps bacteria contained for recovery, raising your expectations of what clean actually means. Smaller than any other daily clean machine of its caliber, the Quick Scrub allows users to ensure cleanliness even in tight spaces and corners. The Quick Scrub's compact size and scrub dry feature allows users to clean confined spaces effectively while also keeping them open for use and lowering the risk of slip and fall incidents. And through its streamlined cleaning regimen, business owners can considerably cut labor costs, ensuring a satisfactory ROI for the equipment. Comprehensive research, design, and testing with industry professionals led to the Quick Scrub's development. Designed and manufactured in the USA,